hiccup and whine, a clunky old beast clashing gears with the time. She sputters and spits, her tires kissing flat. I swear I've lost the spare, last saw it across the map. She's a relic on wheels, a tail untold, with a horn that honks like a snoring saxophone. Through rain or shine, she'll never get old. Laughing through chaos, together we've grown. Call it a hard knock life, she's late to the start. Though I forgot to gas her up, I'm still all heart. The beer cans clink, a soundtrack to my drive. Distracted by the rhythm, cops sneak by and thrive. Headlights flicker like disco lights, inebriated cheer. The road's a mystery when you're drinking, goggles steer. Mailbox victim again, it's my Chevy swarm foe. But honestly, with my track record, who'd even know? From potholes to police parades, we dance so fine. Every breakdown's an encore, an oily pantomime, with windshields that laugh and bugs splatter art. We've mastered the show, we play every part. Engine rumbles and rants like grumpy Uncle Pat, and I'm the driver flipping pancakes with my hat. Flat tires seem to follow a loyal band of fate, hitting curbs each evening, guess I'll never diplomate. This old jalopy rattles an impromptu brass band, but steering's like herding ducks with just one hand. My Chevy's a relic, carrying escapades and smiles, despite driving like I'm into left-footed styles. So here's to my Chevy, a symphony on the road.